Good morning. Day 2 on the Holland America Koningsdam. We're out in the Pacific Ocean off the coast of California, somewhere north of Los Angeles, I believe, last I looked at the map. It's currently 7:45 in the morning, breakfast time. Just finished doing some footage for the ship tour video, so be sure to keep an eye out for that one. I'm gonna go get some breakfast. Go check out the New York Deli and Pizza. Looks like a quieter area to go for breakfast other than the Lido buffet. Check that out and get this sea day started. Alright, breakfast time here on deck 10 at the New York Deli and Pizzeria. We have a nice selection of little foods. If you want more extensive breakfast, head to the dining room or the Lido buffet. But down here they have pastries, some side items like you got bacon, hash brown, and a toasted bagel with some jam. Also have coffee. And I got juice. They have water. Just sit here. You're one deck above the Lido pool, which you look right out on. So this is breakfast, and go ahead and check out my view. Deck 3, the promenade. You walk around the ship. This is where the lifeboats are. It's not covered like some promenades are, so if it's raining outside, kind of like it is right now, a little misty, you might get a little damp if you want to go outside for a walk, but it's a good way to get some fresh air, mingle with some of your fellow passengers, so you get your steps in after breakfast or whenever. It's a very large ship, so you're going to get your steps in if you keep walking this thing all day. Pinnacle Grill lunch menu. We got our appetizers, the classics, steaks and seafood, and then the sides. Can't miss the best part, the desserts. They also have drinks, cocktails, coffee, wines. What would you have?
Thank you.
So we are starting off with the fanciest crab cakes I've ever seen, followed by the fanciest bowl of lobster bisque I've ever seen.
Share the bacon.
Share? Who's sharing?
You sharing?
Stop lying.
And the clothesline bacon.
For our mains, we are having 12-ounce New York strip, cream spinach, mushrooms, mashed potatoes, and sea bass. For dessert, key lime pie and creme brulee.
We came, we saw, we ate. Pinnacle Grill lunch, frankly, was a tremendous deal. It's about half the price of the dinner there at the Pinnacle Grill. The menu is darn near identical, still a lot to choose from, and a tremendous value. Just woke up from our nap. Not ashamed to say it was at least 2 hours long. Guess we were a little tired after eating all that food at the Pinnacle Grill. So now we're gonna get up, go explore the ship. There's a show at 7:30, some sort of a musical artistic performance. You can go check that out, and then the whole rest of the music walk for the remainder of the night.
And now I think it's time to do something we've all been waiting for.
and officially start the cruise with some champagne. Although mine always turns out to be ginger ale, I'm not quite sure why. But now, I would like to propose a toast, ensuring our commitment to make this cruise for you a fulfillment of a dream. But there's good ships, and ships that sail the sea, but the best ships are the damn ships. And may they always be. Cheers, have a great cruise. Thank you very much.
Welcome to the stage, the unique musical visionary, David Meyer, everyone.
We're alone now, I'm just singing this song for you.
We're sitting in the dark, listening to music. We got Billboard Onboard, piano bar to our left. We got BB King Blues Club behind us. They're both playing at the same time. It's a tad confusing.
If you know the songs, please feel free to sing along. Have a good time. When the night has come and the night is gone at last, my love is coming home.
And we're home. All right, we have returned home from the evening to find chocolates, the program for tomorrow, and what I believe to be a rabbit. It's got long ears. I'm going to say it's a rabbit. What do you think?
Leave a comment below.
Yeah. Leave a comment below. What kind of animal do we have on our bed? I think we should call it a night. There's a lot of live music, a lot of good food today. Overall, yeah, too much good food. Good sea day. Tomorrow we're in San Francisco. One of 2 days, or the first of 2 days. We'll see how it goes. Good night. We almost made it out without the Sweet Caroline. You hit us right as we were leaving. Dang it. Reaching out, touching me, touching you. Let's see if we can find the 6X if they're hanging this. See? Camera fall down because it's so bumpy out here. All right, we're gonna go now. Bye.